that come from? It's huge and it's glowing. Do you think it's magical? Only one way to find out. It's warm. Listen, it sounds like Christmas.
Even brighter up here.
Like it's showing us the way.
Do you think it'll lead to Santa's workshop?
Maybe something even more magical.
Look, the animals love it too.
Come on, let's see where it goes.
Ready?
Welcome to the workshop. We've been waiting for you.
Whoa, it's even bigger than I imagined.
Look at all the toys. And this tree, it's taller than the reindeer barn.
It's amazing. Here, check out this engine.
Oh, it's so cute. Wheels really spin. Every toy is so big.
Passing the popcorn strand.
Looks yummy and sparkly.
Ready for the star?
Ready.
Here we go.
It shines.
So pretty.
Let's sing it out.
Twinkle lights and candy canes left.
Wow, Joy, there are so many.
I know, it's like magic. Look, a bear.
And you got a doll.
She's so cute.
The star is shining so bright.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is right.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe channel and click the bell icon.